Good afternoon, Clayton Biker Cowboy here, BikerCowboy Garage. We are back in Oregon, been traveling all over the place, had a few short episodes. Stuff's been busy, but it's been the holidays, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas to you all, and Happy New Year is tonight, so Happy New Year's Eve. Last night got a little bit of work done on the van. We're doing some other stuff in the garage today. So this last go around was putting this badass wheel chock in. Thank you to my bro Jason from back in Montana. Got the high lift jack in here now, shovel, axe, kind of getting a camping setup going on. Brand new first aid kit. Not that we ever want to get hurt, but you know, we like to rally. So DVD player, backup camera, all that is working awesome. We put a new BikerCowboy windshield sticker on this thing, so I'm going to show you all that. Then we're going to head over to the shop. I'm parking out at the end of the street. We got some people over today, so Team BikerCowboy here. Got the new LED headlights in there. Van's looking good. I got to strip some more stickers off this thing and get the Team BikerCowboy stickers on there, so we're doing good there. Beautiful day here. It's a little brisk, but sunshine in Oregon in the end of December is pretty rare, so we're stoked for that. You can see Dennis's bike right there is the first one. Rode a CVO over today. Took Chubbs for a little ride earlier. She's running good. I wanted to go further, but with no helmet, no license plate, no headlight, I figured it was a bad idea. But here's the bikes. The Buell's running good. Got the Buell out here today too. Just kind of cleared out the garage. Sportster Sport's back here. She's a little cold and doesn't want to start today, so I think I'm having some issues with the vacuum petcock again. So this is Dennis's 2017 CVO Street Glide. It's a 114 tuned piped, first CVO I ever really kind of got to take out and ride, I guess aggressively you'd say, and it's quick. It's wicked quick. Great stereo. Harley did it right. So yeah, anyways, so that's what we got going on here. Had a great trip to Montana and back. It was beautiful. Lots of fun, saw lots and lots of friends. It was kind of rushed, so we didn't really get to see everybody we wanted to, but we'll be back. Well worth the trip. So today we're working on Bose Infinity here. Chris Coronato's back over here again, slamming another stereo system in. So got the Sportster Sport sitting over here chilling, putting in a backup camera, touchscreen, DVD player, and some subs. And when I say we, I mean I'm not helping with any of that really. I'm just kind of grabbing parts as I'm able to. So yeah, we're just kind of chilling out here today on this beautiful New Year's Eve, having a little bit of whiskey and cokes in the garage. Everybody's chilling in here, watching old school stunt videos. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, guys. So happy New Year's Eve, Happy New Year. Hope 2019 is the best for all of us. Super stoked about it. Yeah, so you all be good, have a Happy New Year, be safe, stay safe, and we'll be back next week.